this is Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Time Out. Today we are gonna see how to make a hide and seek game in Scratch. Before we make that, take a second and smash that like button and share this to all of your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive my videos. So now let's get right into the video. So first, delete the cat, or you can use it as the sprite. I'm gonna delete the cat and choose a sprite. I'm just gonna scroll down. Wait 1 second to load. Yes. And what can I choose? Okay, I will choose this one. Next, what I'm gonna do, choose a backdrop. I'm gonna go to patterns and choose one of these. I will choose this one. And now let's start. So let's change the X and Y coordinates to 0. Okay. Next, go to events. When the flag is clicked, and I'll just zoom in a little bit. When the flag is clicked, oh sorry, my mouse disconnected, sorry. When the flag is clicked, go to X and Y coordinates 0. Okay. Next, go to looks and drag and show. After that, drag and say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. And change that to when click me to score points. Okay, nice. Next, go to control, drag in a forever loop. Next, go to motion and drag in, go to random position. Now if we click on this, it will go to a random position. Okay, nice. After that, go to control, drag in wait 1 second and go to looks and drag in hide. After that, go to control, drag in a wait 1 second, drag in and go to looks and drag in show. Next, let's test it out. Okay, so yeah, it's working perfectly. Next, let's make the scoring system. For that, go to variables, delete this variable and make a variable called score. If you have cloud variables, you can use that. I have it, so I can use it. But I will make a video on how to get cloud variables. Stay tuned for that. Next go to events, drag in When the sprite is clicked, let's add some sound effects also. Let's just delete pop and choose a sound effect. I think one sound effect I used. I think. Okay, we can use this. Let's just okay. I'm just gonna change the pitch a little bit so that you can hear me also. So next, go to variables and drag in set score to 0 and drag in change score by 1. After that, go to looks, actually go to sounds and drag in play sound until down. Now let's test it out. Okay, so that's how you can make a hide and seek game in Scratch. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I'm Shiv Shankar and you are watching Scratch First Timer. If you have any doubts, please comment down below or go to my profile, links are in the description. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.